Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when internet is working fine on your computer. So the internet is working fine. When you're using internet, it's working fine. But when you click on your network, you see this message which says no internet and secure. So your internet is working fine, but it's showing no internet. So if you're facing this problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run internet connection and network troubleshooter. For this, open Windows 10 setting, go to the start menu, then click on settings, then click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on internet connection, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once this troubleshoot is done, go ahead and run the second troubleshooter, that is network and adapter. So once this is done, you can close this, then click on network adapter, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once this troubleshoot is complete, you can go ahead and restart and check, and you should not see that no internet message on your computer. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run the second step, perform the second step, that is update network driver from device manager. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on device manager, expand network adapter, and over here you have to go ahead and find your Wi-Fi card. So select your network card and then make a right click, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers, and once that is done, restart your computer. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, this time after the restart, make a right click on your Wi-Fi card, then click on update driver. This time select browse my computer for drivers, then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and go ahead and select the old or maybe different network adapter driver. So go ahead and select the different driver and then click on next, and once that is installed, go ahead and restart your computer and then check the message. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, go ahead and perform network reset. For this, go to Windows 10 settings, then click on settings, go to network and internet over here. Under status, scroll down, and over here you can see the network reset option. So before you perform a network reset, just make sure that you have the network password. So click on reset now, click on yes, and once the reset is done, it will be telling you to that it might tell you to restart your computer. So it will go ahead and restart your computer. So you can go ahead and restart the computer. After the restart, you can go to this. First of all, go ahead and restart your computer. Now after you restart the system, click on this internet icon and then select your network, then click on connect, and then it will be asking for password. So enter your password and then click on next, click on yes, and here you should not see that message anymore. Now still it's not fixed. In that case, you can go ahead and run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description, so copy all the command one by one. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator, then click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key, then run the second command, then run the third command. Now run this command, then run this. Now run the last command, which will go ahead and reconnect the Wi-Fi. Hit the enter key. Okay, after this, you go ahead and restart your computer. So go to the start menu, click on the power icon, then restart. And after the restart, you can go ahead and try to check the message. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, update the network driver from system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have a Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website and find the network driver from the manufacturer website and download it, install it, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem, you can go ahead and uninstall network device from device manager. So make a right click on the start menu, then select device manager, click on it, and then expand network adapters, and then select your Wi-Fi device, make a right click, then click on uninstall device, put a check on the box which says delete the driver software for this device, then click on uninstall. And after the uninstall is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer. Now during the system restart, it will go ahead and install the default driver. So restart your computer and Windows 10 will install the default driver, and then you can go ahead and try to connect your Wi-Fi. So I'm not restarting now, but you can go ahead and restart. You can also click on action and click on scan for hardware changes in device manager, and then you can go ahead and click on it. But I will recommend you to restart the computer after you uninstall the Wi-Fi driver. So click on it and then select your network, then click on connect. This time again it will be asking for password, so enter the password and then click on next, and it should be connected and secured. Now in case if nothing is working, in that case you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. So copy this link, the link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see media creation tool. Run this tool. So click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see this screen, agree to the terms, so click on accept, and by default upgrade this PC now will be selected, so click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take time. Once the download is complete, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. Now this is checked by default, do not make any changes. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install, and after the installation you can go ahead and log into your computer, and then you can go ahead and connect your Wi-Fi, connect to your network, and you should not see this error message which says no internet. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.